here Josh has just gone off to go and buy some stuff. So Asda Home, not that I'm doing an advert for them, but Asda Home are absolutely one of the great places we buy lots of stuff, along with The Range, along with I've forgotten his name now, one of the local places that we use that's got a lot of supermarkets in the southwest, because we're based in Bristol. This is all about 5-starring our serviced accommodation. Why? Because we want to be top of the list. Why? Because if you're top of the list, you get more views. If you get more views, you rent your stuff out. I mean, we're already looking this week, we've only got one room available out of all our serviced accommodation portfolio, which is wonderful. We've just refreshed the photographs and paid a photographer like £100 per flat to take new photographs, and boom, the bookings are flying in, which is great. But we've been in one of the properties, and should we just say that glasses, forks, knives, spoons have disappeared, and we're just making sure that everything's immaculate. Now, we usually have a stock of everything, but we've actually been depleted because over the period of time, numerous glasses, forks, knives disappear, so we're just coming in to buy the new stock. So Josh is off buying, and I'm just letting you guys know. I find Asda Home excellent. I think they've got everything. Tesco Direct as well are really good. IKEA obviously is very good. Actually, I find Asda Home a little bit cheaper for the household goods. And then The Range is very good as well. Argos is very good. And yeah, there you go. Yeah, so Asda Home, Tesco Direct, they're great on delivery. AO.com for delivery of white goods, IKEA, and The Range. See you guys soon. Bye.